Why is everyone suddenly bearish on Bitcoin? Even though BlackRock BTF is the first ETF to reach 2 billion under asset management. Bitcoin could head Bitcoin could be headed even lower, says crypto experts. These are more of what we're going to be discussing on the show today. And you already know this is Crypto Bin 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency, trading, and investment. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great, and welcome to the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. And guys, when I tell you we don't gamble it, I mean we do not gamble it. Because there's a lot more attached to trading. There's a lot more you need to understand. It's not just about clicking the buy or the sell button. You just have to know some other things in trading, and that's why this show comes to you on different platforms every morning, where we discuss, we look at the news and talk about what is going on in the market, so you guys can gain one or two things. All right, before we start the show, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please support your boy. Subscribe right here, like and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be part of the first people that will get my content or the video I drop to you any day, any time. Today is Monday, the 29th of January 2024, and you can see I've got so much video for you to learn on YouTube. You might just want to go through it and see what will benefit you. And we started our academic session this year, where we do free training every night, and we're trying to see how we can move it to a better time so more people can benefit from the free training. It's totally free. You learn how to trade forex, learn how to trade crypto, commodities, and a lot more, all for free. And after the show, after the recordings, we normally post it on our YouTube, where you can watch if you miss. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, please, I think you have a reason to do so. So when you miss anything, you can go back to the channel and just watch the video and continue from where you stop learning. Guys, these are totally free. To join my academy and to join my community, descriptions are down below on any of my YouTube videos on YouTube, and you'll see the links in the description. All right, let's continue with the show. This is Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Now, like what I normally do every show, we check what is trending first, then we take a look at the market, then we take a look at other things, then we look at the chart, then we discuss about how we're going to make money today. So first of all, let's go down to X. And if you've not subscribed to or you're not following us on our social medias, you might want to do that right now. On X, we're there. On Thread, we're there. On Instagram, you can find us there. On TikTok, we are there. And we've got a Facebook page too. So wherever you are, whatever social media platform you find yourself, you can listen to us, you can watch our video, and you can learn and make something for yourself. But what are we going to do right now? We're going to take a look at the trends of what is trending, and we can see Solana is trending, we can see DeFi is trending, we can see XRP is trending, we can see GME is trending, we can see OpenSea is trending, FOMC is trending, Well is trending, JUP is trending, Wolf is trending, When is trending, and a lot more of them are trending. Depends on your timeline on your feed, but that's what is trending, talking about today's show. And I think what we can take out of it is Solana is trending. So we all know Solana did well from $30 to about 120 to now be trading below $100 now. And for it to be trending right now, possibly is doing something people are liking again, you understand? And I believe Solana is going to do well, even though it's trading on the dollar board, moving from $30 to above 100. That's about 4x. That's about 400%. That is great money. That is great money. But we're going to come back to all these things later, talking about the chart analysis, where we look into, do we need to get into the trade now or not? So stick around. You do not want to go anywhere, so you can benefit from what I've got to share to you guys on the show. So that's what's trending, guys. Now let's now check what the market cap looks like. Now the crypto market caps has now pushed back to 1,777,640,977 640 million, 977,219. We all know we were approaching 1.9 trillion when we had the ETFs, the first Bitcoin ETFs approved for like 12 or more companies. And now we had a sellback immediately that pulled the market from around 49,000, back to around even at 38,500. Now we're recovering from that. Do you need to buy? Do you need to sell? Don't worry, I am going to discuss that on this beautiful show. So the market cap right now is sitting at 1.7 trillion, guys. We made it back to 1.7 trillion after we dropped off to 1.6, and we can see the trending coins still remain. When we saw it is trending on Twitter as well. Magic Square, BADEX is trending, and the largest gain remain Zmine, when also, and Cointentos. But I don't like to look at one source. I like to look at different sources to get the real trend. And you can see over here, we can see the market cap is still the same. And when it comes to trending, we can see meme coin is trending, outer layer is trending, Manta network is trending as well. So you can see different trends on different network. But mind you, before you invest on any project, make sure you do your own research before you do that. So now let's check the top 10 cryptocurrency. Moreover, the trading volume for the last 24 hours is at 44 billion. Yes, it might look small because of its weekend. Sometimes when it's weekend, the trading volume drops from the regular 65 billion to around 40 to 40 something billion. So this, we have 24 hours volume sitting at 44 billion. But let's take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrency as we normally do on this show every day. Bitcoin still remain the number one, remain the dominant, remain the king of the space. And we can see Ethereum at number 2, which I call the queen. We have Theta, which is the USDT stablecoin. We have BNB at number 4. Solana flip XRP, and since then Solana has been maintaining that spot. Solana at number 5, XRP at number 6, USDC at number 7, Lido Stake Data at number 8, Cardano at number 9, Avalanche at number 10. And when we talk about meme coin, Dogecoin is at number 11 at 0.07 cents. And we have the other meme coin, Shiba Inu, just keep dropping down, which is trading at 0.05. Now we have other meme coins there doing well, like Pepe that is launched on Ordinals, and we know we have a lot of BRC20 tokens which is now running on blockchain. You might want to look into that too, because I've seen since BTC has been doing well, you can see that the BRC tokens too, they've been doing extremely well. But mostly all Solana projects too, they are doing well. But mind you, do your own research before you get into any coin. And this is not financial advice. This is just to educate us and entertain us so we can be aware and know what is going on in the crypto space daily. This is Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it, guys. All right, so those are the coin trending right now. Let's now go to the event of the day. Normally we talk about the event of the day so we know what we should prepare ourselves for, because sometimes these events kind of, move the market or shake the market a little bit, and you do not want to be caught off guard when that is happening, especially when you're in trade or you're looking for a trade and you just find out they kick you out and they put you in and also eat your stop loss. So those things happen because you did not prepare or you are not aware of the economic calendar or the event that will be taking place on that day. So today, being the 29th of January 2024, we can see we do not have any news at all. We don't have any news at all. It's like it's a bank holiday, even though it's not bank holiday, but we don't have any news at all. You understand? So the market will just follow its structure and the normal patterns of trading. And we're still going to take a look at the chart and where we're going to talk about it. So talking about the economic calendar, we don't have any news. But when you look at the week, we have so much to talk about during the week. You can see we have so much to talk about. So you do not want to miss the show, as I'll be bringing the light to all these events before they happen. So that's that on the calendar. Now let's go to some headlines and see what the news is all about before we move on to the chart analysis. Now we can see that four factors indicating potential that Shiba Inu bull run is coming. I believe so, and that's why I've been buying some Shiba Inu. I am not saying you should buy. Make sure you do your own research or you join my community. The descriptions are down below where I share some tokens. You understand? So make sure you do your own research. But I just believe Shiba Inu is going to do well in the nearest future, and some other coins that I've been talking about as well. And we can see also that 73 of European residents are confident in crypto's future. Survey says, you can see. So we're gaining confidence of people into crypto now. We all know that since the ETFs was approved, billions of dollars have started coming in, and like I've showed you today, assets under management for BlackRock just hit 2 billion US dollar within how many days. So that is a good news, and that shows crypto is here to stay, and we're going to see a lot of it. Bitcoin ETFs in and around Asia after US approval. You can see that also. That's another headline there. And DAOs are not the next home for online extremists. You get what I'm saying? You might want to look at that. Bitcoin could fall back to 20,000 US dollars. Talking about that was by Chris Bunnings. I believe we're going to see Bitcoin at 30K, and I've seen it at 38. Actually, I believe Bitcoin should come to 33K thereabout. I'm still going to show you on the chart today, but all I know is the structure for sell was activated until we beat it back, then I'll be certain we're going up back. So, but 20K, I am not too sure, but I'm very sure around 33K thereabout. But the chart is going to tell us whatever we need to do. Coinbase upgraded by Oppenheimer's as crypto exchange is stronger than many people realize. So those are the news I just have to share with you today. Also, let's check here. We can see that struggling NFT marketplace OpenSea open to accusation. You can see, so they're looking to be acquired because of they're struggling. Now we have different NFT marketplace. We have the Solana, we have OpenSea, we have different ones that are out there. You might want to look at them. New Solana meme coins when pops after huge drops. You understand? That's a good one about that. So that's what I have for you on the news today. You might want to read more on the internet if you have time, but I just like to share the important news with you so you really know what is really going on in the crypto space. All right, let's now go to the chart quickly now, and you can see on my chart right here, you can see right here we saw the market still now giving us this trend. You can see we now broke the normal support, that 40K support we could not break for some time. Now it's been broken. You see, we didn't break it here, we didn't break it here, we didn't break it, but we finally now broke support of 40,000. So what am I expecting the market to do? This is simple. BTC, which is leading the market, is what I use to analyze the market, guys, so you can know when and how you should get into the crypto space. BTC now fell down to about 38,500. Where am I expecting BTC to push back to? I'm expecting BTC to push back to around 45 thousand and 47,000 back, because that will be another selling zone for anybody that means the sell off. But don't get me wrong, is because of what? Because we have this structure that broke the 40 zone. So I'm expecting a pullback to around 45 zone, 46, 7 zone before to continue. Or where we are now, if you look at my Fibonacci, you can see we are sitting at 0.38. So if you fail to even break this 43K, we might see Bitcoin start to fall back and break the previous low, which is 38,500. And why? Because anytime we have our Fibonacci and market retrace back to around 0.382, and it fails to break that, definitely we're going to have the market continue falling. So we are sitting around that zone right now, but I'm going to watch what happens throughout this week and see if we're able to break above. If we're able to break above it, definitely we're going to 45, 47K. But if you're able to break, if you're unable to break above 43K, I will expect BTC to go lower, and possibly we'll be looking at 33K event. But as a day trader, what do we do? As a day trader, that you trade every day. So what is the current situation of the market right now? The current situation of the market right now is we have the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, which that means we have uptrend. You understand? The uptrend is showing. But now what are we going to look at? We're going to look at the movement of the market. We have a breakout right here which says we have a sell yesterday, and that's why we saw the market deep down. And this pullback is to go and mitigate the minor structure inside the major structure, and it's been mitigated, and that's why you see the market pulling back. So what am I expecting BTC to do now? For you to get into a buy again for BTC, wait and see if BTC is going to cross 42,350. If you see a nice push up above 42,350, then you can get into the market and buy if you're not in the market already. But if you're in the market, I will tell you that's a good one. You might hold on to your buy and see if any structure is going to form out within this period. Maybe we're going to see another green here. Then the moment we have another green, then another red is coming to break it, you need to get out of your buy. You understand? So now what is really going on presently? Like, let's say you want to take a trade right now. What is really going on? What is going on is we have a short. When I mean a short, we have a sell on a lower time frame, and I'm expecting the sell to continue until we have any invalidation before we get into the buy. And when you go to higher time frame, you can see that is why we have this 2-hour candle in red, because we have a sell in a lower time frame, but that doesn't mean it's proper sell. But what is even the market direction? The market direction right now is a sell. The signal is a buy. Can you get what I'm trying to say? Market direction is a sell, because that's where we have the newest structure, and you need to follow the newest structure. But now, what about the signal? The signal is a buy. But sometimes the signal doesn't mean you got an entry yet. The signal just means that we've seen another breakout of a structure from a buy, but we now need a confirmation to know that the buy will now move to the direction of buying BTC. So right now, the market structure, the direction is a sell, but the signal, the direction is a sell, and the signal it's a buy. But now we're seeing another red candle coming down here. If you break 42, moreover, I'm using ByBit in case you want to sign up. You can use my ByBit account to sign up, and you get about 30,000 bonus. So when you sign up using my code, but that's on that. You can use any broker if you like, because I am not assigned to any one of them, but it's just that I like to use ByBit. So now you can see right here, if we have this candle coming out to break 42,100, then we're going to have a sell signal activated back. You understand? So it's tricky because market is buy and sell. It moves up and down. That's why you want to join my community. You want to be in my community where I update you 247, so you can continue and understanding what I've said the show. So what is the situation right now? We have a buy, but the direction of the market is still a sell from the newest structure, guys. The newest structure. The newest structure is a sell. And where is it? You can see right here, we have lower high, lower low, lower high, then we have a breakout. That means we have a sell. 100%. So now what are we expecting? This move up is to mitigate the Fibonacci, which has been done. So we'll see if we're now going to have a proper buy structure back and what, and we have a buy signal already, but we're going to see if we're going to have a proper buy direction back, then we can join the buying wagon. But right now it's a sell in a short while, but we might turn to a buy. And if it turns to a buy, definitely I'll update that in my community. So you might want to join my community so you can get all the juicy content. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please, you might want to do that right now. It's Crypto Bean 101. And you can subscribe right here, like and share. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be part of all these great things happening on the show. So that's that on the show today. BTC, it's a buy signal right now, but we don't have the buy direction yet until we break above 42, 330, 350. Then we're going to have a buy direction. Now we have a buy signal, no buy direction. The direction is still a sell until we break another structure upward, then we're going to have a buy direction. So right now, if you have a buy, you might hold on to your buy because we have a buy signal, and if it's breaking down below 42,100, you need to get out of the market and stick to your sell. But in a lower time frame, we have a sell if you're the type that trade with a lower time frame. But you know, when you're trading with a lower time frame, it's just going to give you small profit and probably turn back to where the market's supposed to go. And that is what you're seeing on the screen right here. You can see we have a breakout here, and the stop loss is still there. The stop loss is not being what will I call it, activated yet. So definitely it's still a sell, but this is a lower time frame, guys. This is just to make a couple of $500, $300, whatever point you want to make. But you need to look at the bigger picture when you're trading, and the bigger picture is we have a buy signal and we have a sell as a direction. So you just need to stick to that. So that's what I've got for you on the chart analysis today. Please comment down on the X app. Tell me what coin you want me to look at. Comment down below the video on YouTube. Also tell me what coins you guys want me to look at and analyze, because we've always been right on this show, at least more than 98%, and I mean that. No financial advice, is just for educational entertainment purposes. This is Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Before I now leave you on the show, this is what we do every day. We check the fear and greed index, and the fear and greed index today is sitting at 55, guys. So we're just barely moving into greed, you understand? Barely moving into greed. So the fear and greed index is sitting at 55. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on this great show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we don't gamble it. And this, the channel, Crypto Bean 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. If you've not subscribed, please, if you like what we're doing on this program, on this show, please subscribe to the channel, subscribe on X, subscribe. Join all our platform, because we have great things coming to you. We're going to be starting our live show 1st of February, so you do not want to miss that. The live show is where you're going to be winning some money for yourself. You're going to be winning some money for yourself. The show is called I Trade, You Win. I trade, you win. So I'm going to be placing trade and you're going to be winning some money for free. All you just need to do is subscribe to all the social media platform, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on X, and follow us on all our social media platform, and ask a simple question regarding trading. Then I'm going to place a trade for you, and whatever the trade outcome becomes, that is the money you're going to win. And the show will be starting 1st of February, guys. You do not want to miss out. So the chat is looking at, we're going to continue the chat or the talk in our community. If you do not belong to any of the community, please try and join. The links are down in the description. All right, I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazeem, aka KC the Great. Until I catch you on the next episode of the Bitcoin and Breakfast show. Stay out of trouble, trade carefully, and please make sure you use a risk reward. Peace.